Hello, I am Aichi. In the past, thinking about money always made me feel anxious. I was afraid to check my bank balance, and I didn't even know how much cash was in my wallet. My mind was always in a fog. That was when I started organizing my wallet. Today, let's do it together. This is Do This With Me, Wallet Edition. Please grab your wallet and let's begin. I believe a wallet is a reflection of your mind. When it's messy, your feelings are messy. When it's stuffed full, your heart has no room to breathe. When my wallet was at its worst, I had dozens of cards inside. I couldn't even tell how much money I had. The first step is take everything out. Receipts, cards, coins, all of it. This step alone makes you feel lighter. It lets you look at your situation objectively, thinking, oh, so this is what was inside. Financial anxiety is scary because it's vague. By laying everything out, you can calm down and realize, okay, I see how it is. Organizing your wallet creates a big psychological shift. Now that your wallet is empty, let's look at what was inside. First, let's categorize your cards. Pick up your cards one by one and ask, do I really need this now? We often hold on to things out of guilt or a vague feeling that we might use them someday. Old point cards, expired coupons. At my peak, I had over 60 cards. 60! My wallet was more like a card collection. Back then, I had no idea which card was for what, or how much I was spending. My money was a mess because I didn't give each card a specific role. But once I organized my finances, everything changed. Now, I keep it simple. I have one card for my personal life and one for business expenses. That's it. By giving each card a clear purpose, I always know exactly where my money is going. The bank withdrawals became clear, and I stopped wasting money. My goal now is one credit card for personal use, one for business, a few frequent point cards, and an ID. That's enough. As the number of cards decreases, the mental clutter in your head will disappear too. Next, the receipts. Lay them out one by one. We do this to shift our focus. Instead of looking back at the money you've already spent, we look forward to the money you will use. It's about letting go of the past. Now, look at your bills. Group them by value and align them so they all face the same direction. You will understand when you try it. Just align them instantly changes your mood. You start to feel that you are truly respecting your money. I believe that respecting money is the same as respecting yourself. Take a good look at these bills. They are beautiful, and we carry these beautiful things every day. If we keep them crumpled, they won't feel at home in our wallets. Next, here is my favorite little tip. Hold one bill into three. This is money not to be spent. Think of it as a lucky charm to ensure your wallet is never empty. The anxiety of losing money changes into a sense of I'm okay, I have enough, just by having this one bill. Now, let's put everything back mindfully. This is like a ceremony to welcome your money home. First, place your lucky charm bill, the one we hold it into sleep, in a spot where it's easy to see. Having this bill always present gives you a sense of security, reminding you that you always have enough. Next, let's organize your cards. Give each card a home based on how often you use them. Place the most frequent ones in the front. As I mentioned, I now separate my cards by their roles, one for my personal life and one for my business expenses. It makes tracking your spending so much easier. Finally, put your bills back. Place the largest one on top, making sure all the faces are looking at you. Treat each bill and each coin with respect. Treating your money with care makes you feel like you are treating your own life with care. Can you feel the difference? Your wallet is now a place of peace. Finally, let's return your wallet to your bag. Decide on a permanent home for your wallet inside. It's a small thing, but these habits really add up. When everything has its place, you can move through your day with a sense of calm. After organizing, I blew some tea. Back when I was struggling with money, I made it a habit to organize my wallet every Sunday. Checking my bank balance every day felt like a burden, but I knew I could manage it once a week on Sundays. Looking at my wallet and my spending for the week, and then enjoying a cup of tea like this, that was my favorite time. I would tell myself, you did your best this week. Well done, It was a moment to appreciate my own effort. It also made me feel grateful for having a home and for being able to enjoy a simple cup of tea. Organizing your wallet might seem like a small thing, but for those with financial anxiety, it is a powerful act that brings a big change. Look at this Mount Fuji shaped cookie. Isn't it cute? This called Monaka, Japanese sweet. If you find it hard to look at numbers or spreadsheets, why not start by simply organizing your wallet? I only started noticing these small joys after I let go of my financial anxiety. When your heart has space, you can finally see the beauty around you. If you try this with me today, please let me know in the comments how it made you feel. I'd love to hear about your experience. This was Do This With Me Wallet Edition. If you'd like to continue organizing your money and your life with me, please subscribe to this channel. You don't have to be perfect. If it gets messy again, we can just organize it again together. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Let's do it again soon. Have a peaceful day.